22 L5P Duramax powered by our D3 HP package. What's this mean for you or the client? The factory turbocharger has been removed and now upgraded to what? Calibrated power solution, you guessed it, the Stealth 64mm turbocharger. These turbos on the channel, we have proved, check out a video here, over 600 real horsepower on the factory fuel system. Okay, well, that's the goal, right? Guys, you just got to watch a dyno run. It sounded badass, got through it, but how much power did we lay down? 551 real horsepower. Customer's going to be here tomorrow from New York City to pick up the truck. We've got to deliver over 600 real horsepower, but we've ran into a roadblock. It's the way it goes, but we want to show you guys behind what takes place. We got to hit that number. What was the problem? How are we going to fix it? Let's take a look at the HP Tuner's data log. So the problem is our high pressure fuel pump, the OEM unit, isn't delivering the amount of fuel that we need. The pressure, the big bang. It's just like this, guys. Aerosol can lighter, boom! Shit blows up. Now if you take the water hose and you just sprinkle it over the thing, that's what type of dyno run we had. We just sprinkled it down with a little bit of fuel and we had an okay dyno run. So the plan of action is this: metering valve, change it up, get the pump, if it can, and will listen to us, because there is limitations. Sometimes it's like, hey, you're asking all this fuel out of me, I can't do it. We're not asking above and beyond, but this is what you should do. I need you to do your job. Stay in school, do your job. We're gonna go at it and we're gonna do our job. We need the pump to do its job. Can we make over 600 real horsepower? There's one way to find out. It's dyno time. Our 22 L5P is cooling off from our last and final dyno run. In the meantime, reach out to the guys at Calibrated Power Solutions. I said, hey, our audience want to build like us. We need to give back to them. They're stepping up to the plate again. 10% off, 2 weeks, and only 2 weeks to the L5P owners. 2017 to 2023, you want a Stealth turbocharger? What is the promo code? L5P Turbo. At pointblankperformance.com, you can get the Stealth 64, just like we're running here, or the Stealth 67. We've got videos of them. We've proven what they can do. Daily drive, race, or just want to melt the tires off. Whatever your choice is, get her done, boys. Pointblankperformance.com. How much power did we make? Let's check out those dyno results. Now we want to know, what did this truck lay down? Moment of truth, boys. We laid down 575 real horsepower and 1,051 feet-pound of torque. We didn't hit our 600 horsepower mark. No big deal. It's hot, we run the trucks. Whatever they come in, whatever they do that day, end of story. The owner of this truck, he can chime in, he can tell you what he thinks about 575. He never had a goal of these big numbers. I've got a kind of a personal goal. I want to make for sure and check on these trucks how close they are. Last time we ran one, yeah, we went over 600, but today, 575 and 1,051 feet-pound of torque is where we wrap up this D3 HP package build. How do we make more power? Because I talked to him about that, of course. Hey, you want to go over 600? Honestly, where I'm at right now, I'm cool is what he said. But if we did, we do need bigger injectors. The high-pressure fuel pump, we got it lined out. It maintained rail pressure. We're good. Throw a little bit of injector in it. Let that 64mm sink. Make for sure you jump on the website, check out the promo we got going on. The 64 and the 67 pointblankperformance.com. If you're an L5P owner, you've got a question about these builds, about the 64mm, because you're really putting it on for the best drivability. You're not looking at making 1,000 horsepower. Now the 67, you want to kind of push it, right? So do I. Make for sure, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you next time at Point Blank Performance.